Modern agriculture machines that are at another level. Number 10. Disc Plow. One such farm tool that can perform its functions in every type of soil is the disc plow. This disc plow was used to work in stony areas and break the hardpan of fresh fields. In rough and rooted terrain, a plow is simple to utilize. It is particularly helpful in soils with a significant scouring problem and hard, dry, trashy farming situations. Produced plows come with 2, 3, 4, and 5 bottoms, with the possibility of an additional kit for the furrow. Number 9. Automatic InRow Weeder. An essential agricultural practice is weeding. Crop growth could be hampered by weed growth, which would lead to nutritional deficiencies. This machine quickly and efficiently removes weeds without endangering the initial crops. If you let your fields go out of control, weeds and other foreign species will smother your valuable produce, leaving the farmer with nothing but pennies. Despite the widespread use of pesticides and weed killers, many people are concerned about the possibly harmful chemicals they contain. Number 8. Forage Harvester. An agricultural tool called a forage harvester, often referred to as a silage harvester, forager, or chopper, is used to gather fodder plants for silage. Silage is made of grass, maize, or hay that has been cut into small pieces and compressed in a silage bunker, storage silo, or silage bags. Then it is fermented to make livestock feed. Similar to silage but using grass that has dried out is haylage. Forage harvesters can be self-propelled machines or tools that attach to tractors. In either setup, they consist of a flywheel with several blades linked to it, or a drum, cutter head, that cuts and blows the silage into a wagon that is either attached to the harvester or another vehicle traveling alongside. Number 7. Ridge Forming Machine. The invention relates to a new ridge forming and laminating apparatus and a method for operating it. The new ridge forming and laminating apparatus includes a counter-rotating tool rotary shaft positioned at the lower portion of the front side of the casing, several coulters positioned on the tool rotary shaft, a laminating transmission mechanism on the rear side of the casing, and a middle portion of the front side of the laminating transmission mechanism. The ridge forming and laminating machine has good operational results and great adaptability, and can fulfill the planting needs of economically important crops, including tobacco leaf, potato, and taro. It also has a promising future for market use. Number 6. Crop Loader. The engine, which is almost often a diesel engine, the hydraulic components such as pumps, motors, and valves, and the transmission components, gearbox, axles, wheels, tracks, pumps, motors, etc., make up a loader's main parts. The front attachment, a bucket, forks, sweeper, etc., and wheels or tracks are moved by the engine and gearbox respectively to manipulate the material being handled and drive the machine around the job site. Number 5. Feed Mixer. In feed mills, premixes and materials for feed are mixed using feed mixers. The mixer is essential to the feed production process, and effective mixing is the basis for high-quality feed output. When it comes time to extrude and pelletize the feed, or if the feed is to be used as mash, ingredients and nutrients will not be distributed adequately if the feed is not properly combined. This indicates that the feed would not only provide any nutritional value, but also be harmful to the animals consuming it. In the feed sector, a variety of mixer types are employed. Number 4. Baler. Farm machinery includes balers, sometimes known as hay balers. It can be used to compact a crop that has been harvested and scraped into a manageable bale, such as flax straw, cotton, hail, salt marsh hay, or silage. You may save money on waste removal by using balers. You can save space on the job site by using the baler. Balers can also be used to free up time spent managing cardboard waste. Your reputation as an environmental expert could improve. Number 3. Super Irrigation Truck. It's the Super Irrigation Truck, which is made to facilitate quick irrigation system installation. Long pipes may go inside easily and be held firmly on the inside pipe rack thanks to its 20-foot, 6-inch body. Inside, there is a ton of storage and thoughtfully designed cabinet space for components management. Labeling is an option for easy inventory management. A wire and cable rack is also included in the Super Irrigation Truck to keep you organized and productive. The Super Irrigation Truck's heavy-duty Hydra ramp is designed to support up to 4,000 pounds of industrial trenching equipment. Wheeled equipment is safely and firmly held in place by the Super Irrigation truck's heavy-duty cargo rings. Number 2. Combine Harvester. A combine cuts ripe crops while simultaneously threshing them, much like a comb cutter. One of the most advanced pieces of farm equipment, a combine aids farmers by preventing them from spending many hours each day on harvesting tasks. The architecture of the multi-crop combine harvester makes it suitable for harvesting a variety of grain crops including wheat, corn, barley, grain, sorghum, soybeans, oats, sunflower, and rice. Number 1. Rotavator or Rotary Tiller. A rotavator, often known as a rotary tiller, is a multi-purpose tillage tool that turns up soil using several blades. Farmers frequently use rotary tillers to make preparing the seedbed in their fields easier. The device is mostly used to break up the soil in gardens, farms, and other outdoor spaces. Because of their straightforward construction and high level of efficiency as a tillage tool, rotary tillers are being used much more frequently in agricultural operations.